Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhymes. We're glad you're here.
Hey, little friends! Hey, little friends, it's time to play. Blocks and cars all over today. We built a tower, we zoom so fast. Now it's cleanup time at last. Let's sing together, 1, 2, 3. Cleaning up is fun, you'll see. With happy hearts and smiling faces, we'll put toys back in their places. Clean up, everyone hooray! Pick up toys and put away. Clean up, make it shine. It's tidy up time, feeling fine. Teddy's on the table, cars on the floor. Let's make the room neat once more. Stack the books and pack the blocks. Put the crayons back in the box. Baby Bella finds her bear. She hugs it close with loving care. Tommy picks his cars up too. Helping friends is fun to do. Clean up, everyone hooray! Pick up toys and put away. Clean up, make it shine. It's tidy up time, feeling fine. Look at the floor, it's shining bright. Everything's back, oh what a sight. We sing and laugh while we sweep the floor. Working together, who could want more? The broom goes swish, the duster goes spin. We're turning cleaning into a win. Even the toy train joins the ride. Zoom, cleaning with pride. Let's clap our hands and spin around. No messy toys left to be found. The room looks cozy, neat and sweet. Now we can dance on our cleanup